Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, we're recording.
Roger that, I'll be setting off then.
Roger.
Right, we'll just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 Mr Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger, receiving you very well. And I'm on a Midland 77095, which is a basic set with no meter. He's doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that, all received.
Excellent. And wasn't that excellent received? It was.
Right, we're now going over Wilford level crossing, over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger got you at the Kelby turn. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. And that's our worst one at 5 miles, so when he goes over Rossby level crossing, it's always that little bit better. Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. That concludes the test. Thank you. 10-10. Well, that worked fine. We'll go and see what it sounds like on our Harrier CBHQ base station.
Tango 21 testing the customer's Midland 77095 radio into our Harrier CBHQ base station with the factory original condenser microphone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and thanks for watching.